is that hump underneath there? They've got little puppy hiding underneath the baby bed. Who is that? Mr. Green, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing, buddy? Are you hiding? I think he likes to go underneath there and sleep. Funny boy? You funny boy? What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Everybody else is eating. Red and yellow and black and purple and pink. Having their dinner. And Mr. Green is over here underneath the the little oaky bed. Because I like to hide when I'm sleeping. Mr. Green, hello. Hey, hey Mojo. What's going on? That's Mr. Rat's name. His name is Mojo and he's got something hanging off his ear. There we go. We got him. Tell your sister to move over. Tell her to move over and make room for you. Get in there, Mojo. Get in there. There you go, buddy. There you go. Sharing a bowl with his sister. And that's what's going on here. Serenity Springs on Sunday afternoon, September 1st. And we got our sleepyhead over here.